Thanks for tuning into my channel today. What I got going on here today is I'm working on some Christmas light storage system here. It's New Year, still got Christmas lights up, they gotta come down. Now usually, have always, just pulled them off, watered them up in a big ball, threw them in the box, shoved them away till the next year, then pull them out and then get all upset because they don't work. But, so anyway, this year I decided I'd better do something about it. I always blame it on a Chinese conspiracy or something or other, but probably has a lot to do with the way I store my lights and treat them. So I've been making made a bunch of these kind of H brackets here. A bunch of 1/4-inch plywood left over. I'll drop a picture here and leave my dimensions in somewhere in the video here. But, go treat it like a file system. I can label where they go here, wrap lights around, put these legs on here so they'll fit right here in my storage box, just like a file system. File system for Christmas lights, that's what I'm doing. So anyway, get busy. Got a whole bunch more of these to get cut out and gotta get the lights down. I don't know if I'll get it all done today. Sure is a nice day. Nice day for the inland out here, inland west. Anyway, it's, I don't know, it must be 50 degrees outside. Wind blowing, nice and sunny. Got the garage door open here. And just doing this little craft exercise here with Christmas lights. So hit the subscribe button, come along with me. I do a whole bunch of these different little projects, so follow along and see what I come up with next. So anyway, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Come along with me. Finished cutting out another H bracket for Christmas lights. Go wrap up this strand. I don't know, this looks like probably almost a 30, maybe it's 40 feet of Christmas lights here. Let's get this wrapped up and filed away in the Christmas box. So maybe the next December, I'll get these lights out. I won't be swearing up a storm that none of them work. Maybe save me a few bucks by not having to go down to the store, go to town and buy some new strands of lights. We'll see. Plug them together there. And right in the file system. There we go. Get busy with some more. There you go. Even got this icicle one here hung up on this H bracket for Christmas lights. Design that came up with. Go work all right. Into the file system. There we go. Nice neat box of filed Christmas lights. How about that? We're just cooking in peanut oil, folks.